Silent Giants. A look at the world's eeriest ghost cities. Imagine walking along a wide street, the echo of your footsteps the only sound in the air. Towering structures of glass and steel rise on either side, gleaming monuments to modernity, yet utterly devoid of life. This isn't a scene from a post-apocalyptic film, but a glimpse into the unsettling reality of ghost cities, places where human ambition has outpaced habitation, leaving behind eerie husks of what might have been. Across the globe, from the vast plains of Inner Mongolia to the outskirts of bustling capitals, these deserted metropolises stand as testament to the unpredictable nature of human endeavor. Join me now as we journey to some of the most intriguing ghost cities, exploring the factors that led to their abandonment and pondering the silent stories whispered by their empty streets. Ordos Kangbashi, the Mirage of the Mongolian Plains. Our first destination lies in China's Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region, where the city of Ordos Kangbashi rises from the plains like a mirage. Conceived as a beacon of urban planning, Ordos Kangbashi was built at a breakneck pace, its modern architecture a testament to China's economic prowess. Yet, despite its impressive facade, this meticulously planned city has become known as a modern-day ghost town. Construction began in the early 2000s, fueled by a booming coal industry. The city was designed to accommodate a population of 1 million by 2023. However, a confluence of factors derailed its progress. The global economic downturn of 2008 cast a long shadow over Ordos Kangbashi. Residents, lured by the promise of a better life, found themselves priced out. Today, Ordos Kangbashi stands as a stark reminder of the unpredictable nature of urban development. Wide avenues remain eerily empty. Residential towers stand largely vacant. Yet, amidst the silence, there are signs of life. A small but resilient population has begun to take root. Government offices and businesses have relocated to the city. Whether Ordos Kangbashi will ever fulfill its intended destiny remains to be seen. For now, it stands as a fascinating study in urban planning and human resilience. Nova Cidade de Calamba, Angola's City of Dreams Deferred. Our journey takes us now to the African continent, where on the outskirts of Angola's bustling capital, Luanda, lies Nova Cidade de Calamba, a city built on dreams of a brighter future. Conceived as a solution to Luanda's chronic housing shortage, Nova Cidade de Calamba was designed to be a model city, a beacon of modernity in a rapidly developing nation. Rows upon rows of brightly colored apartment buildings, 750 in total, stretch across the landscape, a testament to the scale and ambition of the project. Schools, shops, and recreational facilities were incorporated into the city's design, promising residents a comfortable and convenient lifestyle. However, despite its undeniable appeal, Nova Cidade de Calamba has struggled to attract residents, its occupancy rates remaining stubbornly low years after its completion. The primary obstacle has been affordability. The apartments, though modern and well-appointed, were priced beyond the reach of the average Angolan, many of whom struggled to make ends meet in the shadow of Luanda's oil-fueled wealth. The city's location, while intended to provide respite from the congestion of Luanda, has also proven to be a deterrent for many. Situated approximately 18 miles from the capital, Nova Cidade de Calamba lacks the bustling energy and economic opportunities that draw people to urban centers. Despite these challenges, Nova Cidade de Calamba is not entirely devoid of life. A small but growing population has begun to move into the city, drawn by its relative affordability and the promise of a peaceful existence. The Angolan government has also taken steps to make the city more accessible, offering subsidized housing and investing in infrastructure improvements. Only time will tell whether Nova Cidade de Calamba will realize its full potential. For now, it stands as a poignant reminder of the challenges faced by developing nations as they strive to balance economic growth with the needs of their people. Chapter 3. Thames Town, an English village adrift in China. Our next stop takes us to the outskirts of Shanghai, China, where a curious sight awaits. A meticulously crafted replica of an English village, complete with cobblestone streets, Tudor-style homes, and even a replica of a medieval church. This is Thames Town, one of several One City Nine Towns projects initiated by the Chinese government in the early 2000s. The goal was to create satellite towns around Shanghai, each with its own unique architectural style, offering residents an escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Town, with its quaint charm and idyllic setting, was envisioned as a popular destination for those seeking a taste of English countryside living. However, despite its undeniable charm, Town has become a ghost town, its picturesque streets eerily deserted. The primary reason for its lack of residents lies in its target demographic. The homes, while beautifully crafted, were marketed towards wealthy investors, many of whom purchased them as second homes or investment properties, leaving them largely unoccupied. The high cost of living in Town, coupled with its distance from Shanghai's city center, has also deterred potential residents. The town lacks the bustling energy and economic opportunities that draw people to urban areas, making it an impractical choice for those seeking a permanent residence. Despite its current state, Town has become an unlikely tourist destination, drawing visitors eager to experience its surreal atmosphere and capture photographs of its charming streets. Whether this newfound popularity will translate into a more permanent population remains to be seen. Chapter 4. Naypyidaw, Myanmar's capital city, lost in translation. Our exploration of ghost cities takes us now to Southeast Asia, to the heart of Myanmar, where amidst the country's verdant jungles and rolling hills lies Naypyidaw, a city shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Built in the early 2000s by Myanmar's then military government, Naypyidaw replaced Yangon as the nation's capital, a move that took many by surprise. The city's construction was shrouded in secrecy, its existence kept hidden from the outside world until its official unveiling in 2005. What emerged was a city of grand boulevards, sprawling government buildings, and luxurious residences, all seemingly designed to project an image of power and prosperity. However, despite its impressive infrastructure and meticulously planned layout, Naypyidaw has struggled to attract residents, its vast avenues and public spaces remaining eerily empty. The city's population, estimated to be around 1 million, pales in comparison to its sprawling size, which is said to be 6 times larger than New York City. Several factors have contributed to Naypyidaw's low population density. The city's remote location, far from Myanmar's economic and cultural centers, has made it an unattractive destination for many. The lack of employment opportunities and the high cost of living have further deterred potential residents. Moreover, the city's atmosphere has been described as sterile and unwelcoming, lacking the vibrancy and cultural richness of Myanmar's traditional cities. The wide, empty boulevards, designed for military parades rather than pedestrian traffic, contribute to a sense of isolation and unease. Despite its challenges, Naypyidaw remains the seat of Myanmar's government, its grand buildings and empty streets a testament to the country's complex history and uncertain future. Chapter 5. Centralia, the town consumed by an unquenchable fire. Our final destination takes us back to the United States, to the small town of Centralia, Pennsylvania, where a different kind of ghost town awaits. Unlike the cities we've explored so far, Centralia's abandonment was not the result of economic downturn or failed urban planning, but rather a relentless natural disaster, an underground coal fire that has been burning for over half a century. The fire, which began in 1962, started in a landfill site and quickly spread to the network of abandoned coal mines beneath the town. Efforts to extinguish the fire proved futile, and it continues to burn to this day, releasing toxic fumes and creating dangerous sinkholes throughout the town. As the fire spread and the ground beneath Centralia became increasingly unstable, residents were forced to abandon their homes, leaving behind a community frozen in time. Today, only a handful of residents remain, clinging to their homes and their memories despite the ever-present danger. Driving through Centralia is an eerie experience. Cracks snake their way across the pavement, steam rises from the ground, and the air is thick with the smell of sulfur. The remnants of homes and businesses stand as silent reminders of the town's once vibrant past. Despite the devastation, Centralia has become an unlikely tourist destination, drawing visitors from around the world who come to witness the eerie spectacle of a town consumed by fire. The town's story serves as a stark reminder of the power of nature and the fragility of human existence. From the meticulously planned streets of Ordos Kangbashi to the fire-ravaged landscape of Centralia, each of these ghost cities offers a unique glimpse into the complexities of human ambition and the unpredictable nature of our world. They stand as silent reminders that even the grandest of plans can be derailed by unforeseen circumstances, leaving behind ghostly echoes of what might have been. So tell me, which of these ghost cities would you like to visit? Tell us in the comments. Perhaps you're drawn to the eerie silence of Ordos Kangbashi's empty avenues or the poignant beauty of Thames Town's deserted English village. Or maybe you're intrigued by the mystery surrounding Naypyida's vast empty boulevards, or the tragic story of Centralia, a town forever scarred by an unquenchable fire. That's it for today. If you pacified your curiosity, give the video a like and share it with your friends. Or if you want more, just click on these videos and stay on the secret organization.